The forecast is for thunderstorms. We definitely need some gas, and there is a decathlon in Compiègne. It's only a few k's down the road. Wild camping tonight. Should be a good one. Should we ride? Let's ride.
Where?
Stopped here for a snack after our shopping experience at Decathlon. Yes, got the gas, got the new shorts, and now we've got supplies for our lunch and dinner. So we can hit the road. We're heading back now to the canal path, and then we'll keep riding towards Paris. There's a problem with my crank. It's making all this noise. I don't understand. I put some silicone spray in it. It probably wasn't the right stuff. But maybe I'll find some oil or something to put in there, and hopefully that will sort it out. Good morning from this hotel in Compiègne, France. We got so burned out yesterday riding that we actually pulled the pin on it and decided to turn back. Between here and Paris, there's sort of limited options for any campsites, and we're both very tired. So after about 15 kilometers of riding, we decided to go back to Compiègne, find a hotel, and just sleep in a bed. It's one of these hotels that's on the side of the freeway. This is a strictly non-smoking hotel. However, the cigarette smoke damage that you can see here is so bad. The whole room stinks, and the cigarette smoke from the other guests actually permeates under the door. So you can see that I have rolled up a wet towel. And if you really want to see what's outside this window, so today we've decided to fast track the journey. We're going down to the train station at Compiègne, and we will catch a train to Paris, Gare du Nord, and possibly stay somewhere a little nicer. Give ourselves a break. We've been nearly 6 weeks on the road. This is what happens when you get strung out and you try and do too much. You end up here. Any final thoughts on the Hotel F1?
Never again. Absolute last resort only. At least the sheets were clean and the bed was comfortable. That's all I have to say.
Okay, breakfast time, and then we catch our train. Let's start this thing all over again.
Time for some breakfast.
Merci. Wow. It seems the French have found a meal between breakfast and brunch. Flunch. I'm not eating there. I'll be eating in the car park. Cool, not long. Probably gonna get the next train out of here. Hopefully it's not cancelled. Really like to get out of this town if I can. It's not that it's not nice, it's just we need a change of scenery and a little bit of rest. Storing the bikes here at the hotel in the luggage storage room. Just putting on a little extra security.
Because we're on the top floor. And there's no elevator.
Perfect. Welcome to Paris.
Wow.
How's that view?
Parfait. Oh, it's so good to be back.
Apparently people don't like to be on the top floor, and they also don't like to have a street view because of the noise. But hell, man, we've come a long way to get this noise and atmosphere. Noisy place. Gee, that's all from me today. I'm gonna relax, have some rest, and we'll see you tomorrow in Paris.